Meaning of Hanukkah.
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 Hanukkah. Hanukkah, also known as the Festival of Lights or Feast of Dedication, is a Jewish holiday that lasts for 8 days and usually falls in December. Its meaning commemorates the rededication of the Second Temple in Jerusalem during the 2nd century BCE. The celebration involves lighting candles on a menorah, playing dreidel games with family and friends, and eating traditional foods like lax and sufganiyot. Hanukkah is a time for Jews to reflect on their faith and culture, and to remember the importance of perseverance and dedication in the face of adversity.